Okay, so we're back at the Chelsea Bus Company. This time we're going to do some CSS. So you'll remember we've got some HTML files here, we've got some images and videos here. We've also created an empty style sheet. We're going to do our first bit of style here. Now I'm going to make a classic 1998 kind of website, and I'm going to change some of the color of some of the text. So you can see this is black text. Let's change it up. Let's make it a different color. This is ugly. I'm not recommending this. It's just a first step. So P for paragraph, curly bracket. Now inside of the curly bracket, we're going to put all of the styles that we want to apply to our paragraphs in our web pages. Okay, so P, color. You can see it does like a autocomplete for you. Because we've saved it as CSS, it knows we're dealing in CSS, so it comes up with a bunch of stuff. So P, color, colon, and then it also does us a favor and tells us what color. Now, generally you would have had to come up with these yourself, but since they're all here, let's have deep pink. That's a great color. Finish her off with a semicolon. You'll remember that from other things that we've done, and I'm going to save that style sheet. Okay, so all I've said here is anytime you see a P tag, the text inside of the P tag should be deep pink. So let's take a look at the Chelsea Bus Company. Let's refresh it. Hey, there we go. So these sit inside of a P tag and they're going to be pink. Now, because I, in a previous video, connected that style sheet to all of my pages, you can see as I go through this, anything with a P tag in any of our pages comes out as hot pink. Alright, let's try something else. Now, I said that when I typed in color, it did an autocomplete. You can see there's a whole bunch of different stuff we can do here. So let's do something really ugly. Background color, and let's go with aqua. Save all. Let's take another look at Chelsea, see how she's rolling. Now make sure that you understand this. That background color is only being applied to the paragraph text. That's because in here we've said anything with a P tag, not anything at all, just anything with a P tag. Okay, we can keep playing with P tags, with the paragraph tags. Let's do some other little CSS nonsense. Before I go on, I forgot my semicolon. How about this? If I type in text, you can see a whole bunch of stuff comes up here. But the one that I'm going to use here is text align. Okay, now that should work. Now, see, the brackets is really clever. It knows that we're trying to do text align, so then it gives us our options. Now we'll talk about inherit a little bit later, but center, justify, left or right. Let's center any text at all that comes up. File, save. Okay, let's head over to our Chelsea website, refresh it. Okay, and you can see it's centering any of our horrible paragraphs that we've done. Okay, now, if I want to add style somewhere else, I can. So let's take a look at one of his index page. You can see he's got a H1 here. So his heading, Chelsea Bus Company, is in a H1. So there's no reason that I can't add totally new styles to heading 1. So let's add some color to that as well. Let's make those ones blue. Okay, just make sure that you're pressing save all a lot until we press save all. Refresh. Alright, now you see your headings are blue. And remember, because we're using an external style sheet, that means that absolutely everything that is a paragraph is going to be one of those. Okay, you can see all of your headings now, all of your H1s are a different color. All right, that's the beginning of style sheets. Can have a lot of fun with this.